Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set the date and time in Windows. Whether your clock is out of sync or you want to adjust time zones, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Date and Time Settings. 1. Press Win-I to open the settings window. 2. Click on Time and Language. 3. Select Date and Time. Step 2. Set time automatically or manually. If you want Windows to handle the time for you, turn on Set Time Automatically. If you prefer to set it manually, 1. Turn off Set Time Automatically. 2. Click Change under Set the Date and Time manually. 3. Adjust the date and time as needed, then click Change. Step 3. Adjust the time zone. 1. Scroll down to Time Zone. 2. Click the drop-down menu and select your correct time zone. 3. If you travel often, enable Set Time Zone Automatically. Step 4. Synchronize time, fix time issues. 1. Scroll down and click Sync Now to update your clock with Microsoft's time servers. 2. If the time keeps changing, check your BIOS CMOS battery or internet time settings. Bonus tip, change time format. If you want 24-hour or 12-hour format, go to 1. Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. 2. Click Regional Format and select Change Formats. 3. Adjust the time format to your preference. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to set the date and time in Windows. If this guide helped, smash the like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.